Hi guys, welcome back to Craft It Up and to another beginner crochet tutorial. On our previous videos, I showed you how to make a chain stitch, a single crochet stitch, a half double crochet, and a double crochet stitch. So today what I want to do is I want to show you how to make a slip stitch. Okay, it's the smallest of the stitches in crochet, and what it helps us do is move across the stitches without adding any height to our project. Okay, and it also is used a lot for forming a ring circle. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to use the swatch that we made in the double crochet tutorial. All right, so I've come to the end of my row right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain one and turn over. And we are going to begin the slip stitch. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to insert your hook without yarning over inside this hole right here, which is underneath this V shape that we have right here. See this V shape? Okay, so you're going to push your hook through there, and then you're going to yarn over your hook and pull that yarn through. And then without yarning over, you're just going to pull this yarn through this loop right here. Again, insert your hook, pull through, and pull through the loop again without yarning over. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull this loop through this other loop without yarning over. So it's a very simple stitch, as you see. Okay, and we're just going to go across our row right here so that we can see how it doesn't add any height to our project. It's practically invisible, like if you hadn't done any stitches. So it's a very good way to go from one side to the other without adding any height. Okay, insert your hook, pull, and pull through the loop. Insert your hook, pull through, and pull through again. And remember too, there's always a chain here at the end, and we shouldn't miss it. All right, so we've come to the end of the row, and if you see, we came across and we didn't add any height to our project. It's as if we didn't make any stitch at all. All right, so keep practicing. I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and keep watching for more tutorials on beginner's crochets. Happy crocheting, guys. Goodbye. Thank you.